Hello everyone and welcome back. So today we are going to solve a very interesting problem on operation on rational numbers. Now let's see the problem is 3 minus half minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12 minus 1 by 20 and then 3 other term. So finally what will be the final answer or what will be the final rational number that we have to find here. So what we'll do here from after the first term, see all the terms are what? Negative. So from each and every term we have to take negative sign common. Then this 1 divided by, in place of 2 we can write 1 into 2. Then in place of 6 we can write 2 into 3. Then 12 will be 3 into 4. So like this all the other terms you express. So it will be 4 into 5 and then 5 into 6, 6 into 7. And then it is 7 into 8, right? Now the next step, in the next step what we'll do, in the numerator we have 1. So instead of 1 can we write 2 minus 1, okay? 2 minus 1 is again 1, denominator will be same. In the second term also, here you have, you see there is 1. So in place of this particular one, what we are going to write, 3 minus 2 divided by 3 into 2, then 4 minus 3, 3 into 4, 5 minus 4, 4 into 5, 6 minus 5 divided by 5 into 6, 2 more term, 7 minus 6, 6 into 7, and the last term is 8 minus 7 divided by 7 into 8, okay? Now what we'll do, 3 minus, now if we divide these two, 2 divided by this, then 2 cancel out, it will be only 1. After dividing these two, 1 cancel out, it will be half. Here also you see, if we divide these two terms, 3 cancel out, half minus 1 by 3. So similarly you write all the other term, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6, 1 by 6 minus 1 by 7, and then finally 1 by 7 minus 1 by 8. Now you see most of the term are cancel out. These are all cancel out. Okay, so what we have left out now is 3, and then within the bracket we have 1 minus 1 by 8. So this will be 3 minus, if we take LCM, then you will get 7 by 8. Now if we take LCM, it's 24 minus 7 by how much? 8. So it's 17 by 8. Okay, so this is the very simple and interesting answer. So I hope you understand all the steps. So if you understand my videos, then kindly share with other friends so that those who love mathematics, we together can popularize mathematics. Thank you very much for watching.